Hey guys, what's going on? Chris Gamer here. Right now we're back on the Bergepanther. Gonna give you another little quick update on what's going on here. Right now I'm working on cleaning up the tools. I want to see if you guys can see there's a little itty bitty bits of flash. Trying to use my magnifier to keep you guys in shot here while I clean up. Little lines, this stuff is super delicate. And I'll show you what we're going to do with these tools here in a second. I'm not going to clean them all up. I'm just going to show you what we got going on here. And I have good news on the Bergepanther front. We are looking to finish it by next week because we're going to start that Panther A just as a build log series, or the Jag Tigers, the build series. But as you can see, I've put on some of this rust track from MIG. It's from their Dry Earth Tracks weathering set. I went ahead and I got it myself. I got both kits. So I'm going to do the wet tracks on the Jag Tiger, and I'm going to do the dry tracks on this Bergepanther. So I brush painted this. I had airbrushed all the other tracks in the airbrush booth. They're drying. And then I cleaned my airbrush, put everything up, and I realized that I missed this one piece. So I basically brush painted this. And I'll show you what I did here. I just took my, I'll drop it. Just took my Citadel large base brush here, and I took some of this. It has a little mixing bowl in it, if you can hear that. It's quite a nice paint. It doesn't seem to have to be thinned. Just put a couple drops on there. I just have a little bit of touching up to do. And I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to brush that on there in these little pieces here. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to get weathered with the track wash, which is enamel, so it'll cover it up. And we'll drop it a couple times. I've had a heck of a time with these tracks coming apart after I've glued them over and over again. I'm going to have to glue them to the wheels when it comes time to fit them to the tank, which is probably gonna be tomorrow, because I want to weather them on the vehicle. So it's August 2nd right now. So probably tomorrow's video, if I do one on the Bergepanther. If not, it'll be Sunday's video. Be up on the 4th probably. So might even if they're dry and I can work with them, I might put them on later today and do a video, another quick update for today. Just clean that out of my brush. Now for the tools. Oh, and I used their gray from their interior set to paint the boxes that are in the Bergepanther. So I changed the color of them, and then I'm going to go over, which I can show you right now. I got this red brown shadow. This is MIG 912. This is also from their interior set for German interior colors. Grab the box right here. Boom. That's from there, and also the gray base that I painted the boxes with are done in that color also. Bottle cap, recycle. So I'm just going to put a little bit, don't need much, just a couple drops in there. I'm going to get my teensy tiny brush. This is my Citadel small best and steadiest painter, but I try. I'm not out to win a reward or anything. This is for me, and I enjoy doing it. I do it. If I don't enjoy it, I don't do it. There's no point in doing something you don't enjoy. So if it doesn't get painted a certain way, because I wouldn't enjoy that, I won't paint it that way. But I'll do my best to try. You don't know if you don't like something until you try it. I was never a fan of painting, and I was just going to show the building on cameras. And then I did a little thing where I tried doing a video of the painting, and it wasn't documentary worthy, but it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was going to turn out. So I don't mind painting so much on the camera now. I actually enjoy making the videos. It's therapeutic. Whether they turn out good or there's loads of mistakes, it doesn't matter to me. Now I got a little bit over there on that section, but I can touch that up with that gray base. But there we go, I painted those straps on there. And that's about all we're going to paint that brown. Well, maybe see if I can grab this little top of this ammo container right there. Yeah, see, I grabbed the top of that ammo container. Maybe you can see it better if I grab the top of these. This is on camera, yeah it is. Still getting used to the new camera position. I like it much better. I just have to do a little bit of editing. So there they have kind of have a brown stripe on them too. Strap. But see, I tried it, a little brown strap on there, getting a little detail. Pick that stuff out. You can pick out one of these brown straps in here. Something. So that is what we have on the Bergepanther. Here's what that rust looks like overnight. It made a nice dirty wheel. I like it on this yellow. And then here's what that filter ended up looking like last night, and it definitely started peeling the paint up. So I don't know why that is. It is a Vallejo primer that was on there for like a week, maybe 2 weeks. So I don't know why that peeled up like that. So I'm gonna have to touch this up with the yellow, and then we'll try weathering it again. I'm gonna try to do a pin wash around these. Try to master that pin wash technique. And then we'll get the tracks on, and then we'll start getting the top on, and we'll get the winch and tools and all that stuff going. Oh, I was going to tell you how I was going to paint the tools is with the Ammo by Mig tool colors. I originally intended for this video to be on the painting of the tools. But I got sidetracked. I'm sorry, it's just going to be a quick update. I will do the tools. Wait, I'll get them all cleaned up. They're not all cleaned up yet, and I'll get the side support mounts for the top section on, and then we can paint the tools and then glue them on, and all in one video, hopefully. Well, it has to dry, but you get the idea. So that's going to do it for this video. This is, I believe, the 13th or 14th update for the BergPanther. If it is the 13th, I don't want to go too long. I don't want to have anything bad happen, like I slice my hand open with a scalpel. That would be awful. So that's it for this video. For Crazy Gamer Games, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a great day.